Afternoon, everybody. I hope you are all okay. So, today I am attempting a creative Valentine's look and I'm going to try out using my new green screen. But before I start with the creative side, I'm going to do a kind of neutral coloured cut crease eye look, which I thought you guys would really enjoy to be able to have a go at yourselves. It has got a bit of detailing to kind of fit with my Valentine's theme later on, but it's the kind of eye look that you can switch up and wear without that detailing on. So I thought I would film the eye look as a separate tutorial and then do the creative bit as a separate video. So I have already done my base and my contouring and all of that, and obviously got my brows on, so we are literally going straight in with the eyes today. So first colour I'm going to use on my eyes is Slate Shadowsense. Like I say, this is going to be mainly neutral tones, but we're going to bring a bit of glitter in because it wouldn't be me if I didn't bring some glitter in here somewhere. So I'm going to take the Slate and I'm going to put that through my crease and then blend it up towards my brow bone. Okay, so now I am going to use a shadow that I've not used before. This is a new colour to me. This is Brownstone Shimmer, and I'm going to work that through the crease, work it slightly up as well so that you can see it above my cut crease and above my hooded eye when my eyes are open. Okay, so whilst I'm using the Brownstone Shimmer, I'm going to use a touch of that to smoke out under my lower lash line, and I'm going to pretty much go halfway across, I think. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm going to take Smoke Shimmer and I'm going to just start to build up this outer corner. I'm going to use one brush to place the dark shade on and then a different brush to blend it out. And whilst I'm using this shade, I'm going to smoke out under the outer corner of the lower lash line as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm going to use my concealer, the L'Oreal Perfect Matte Concealer in shade Ivory, but I will list all of the products I've used in the description box below. So I'm going to cut this crease. And I have got a really tiny brush, flat brush, because I want to be really specific with this cut crease. Okay, whilst I'm just waiting for the concealer to dry a little bit, I'm going to go and tight line along the top lash line. Okay, so now that I've done my tight line, I am going to fill in our cut crease area. Now, I was hoping to use a new shadow colour called Smoked Spice Shimmer. Oh my God, that looks dreamy. But I haven't had a chance to get hold of that just yet. So I'm going to mix my own similar dupe shade. So I'm going to mix half and half of the Brownstone Shimmer and Moonbeam Shimmer together, and I think that will give me pretty much a dupe of the Smoked Spice Shimmer that I haven't got yet, because I think that's going to just really make this inner corner and our cut crease really pop. Okay, so now that I've filled in the cut crease, I'm going to go back to the Smoke Shimmer that I used on the outer corner. And I'm just going to build up this outer corner a little bit more and blend it into the edge of our cut crease so that we've got a more seamless transition rather than a line. Okay, so the black pencil should be dry on my tight line now, so I'm gonna lighten up my waterline. I would normally use a nude pencil for this, but the one I've got at the moment, it's okay and it's good and it does stay for quite a while, but because I'm going to be turning this look later on into a creative look and I'm going to be using materials I've never used before, I'm expecting it to take quite some time, so I want it to really last for hours and hours. So I'm going to mix Sandstone Pearl and Snow Shadowsense and use that in my waterline instead, because I know that that will stay for longer throughout however long it takes me to play with the new things I've got for my creative look. And to make things nice and easy, I've mixed those in a quantity of 50-50 mix as well, just to keep things simple. Okay, so next, because I'm going to turn this into creative look later, I am going to make sort of a slight creative part on the eye. I'm going to do a white liquid liner, kind of like I suppose like a cat's eye, but I'm going to feather out the line, make it into, hopefully, look like an angel's wing to keep in with the theme of my creative look later on. But you could either go for that and have a bit more of a creative eye going on, or you could still go for the white and just do a normal cat's eye, or you could just replace the white and just do a black liquid liner instead. Entirely your preference. Okay, so I've done my angel wing for my winged eyeliner. Got it? Anyways, so now I'm going to take the Glam Crystals Metallic Gold Liquid Liner and I'm going to just do some detailing just along the top of the wing. It looks like I've made a mistake here, but it's not. It's just kind of my step because I've got hooded eyes from when I do my eyeliner. But actually, this is probably going to cover that up anyway. And I think I'm going to use it just to put a little touch of detailing in the kind of feathers at the edge of the wing. And I'm also then going to use it just to go round the cut crease, just to really make that stand out even more as well. So now I'm just going to use Moonbeam Shimmer Shadowsense for just a little touch of inner corner highlight, and I'm going to put just a tiny touch underneath the arch of my brow bone as well. Obviously, if you were doing this eye look without the angel wing and you're just going for a normal black winged liner, you could still put the gold liner detailing above your wing and you could still go around your cut crease if you wanted to, but you don't have to like go as bold and make it into kind of more of a graphic liner like I have. You could literally just start about here and go around your cut crease and maybe slightly thinner line, but do whatever you want to do. Okay, so last of all, I'm going to put on 2 coats of black mascara, and then I'm going to jump on a live over on Facebook and Insta and show them how to recreate this look on the other eye. So if you ever want to catch any of our tutorials live, make sure you pop over to our Insta or Facebook pages and you'll be able to catch us over there on a live, so you can ask any questions and all of that kind of thing. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and then I will see you after I have finished.
And there we go. Here is the finished eye look. I really love this soft neutral eye look with or without the wing. It's just really pretty, and we'll see you very soon for the next one. Bye for now.